My name is Martin Botvidsson. I'm a still life photographer based in Stockholm. In this video I will be putting the Pro-D3 to the test by creating 4 different images that required speed, a lot of speed. In this image we used 3 Pro-D3s, 2 with reflectors shooting through diffusion and a third was handheld with a 2x3 softbox, just to give a bit of fill light from the top. Here the Pro-D3 really delivered a lightning fast and consistent burst of flashes that allow me to capture the exact and perfect moment of the sand shooting up around the sneaker. In this image I wanted to capture a dynamic water splash with the Pro-D3's ability to freeze action at up to 1/75,000th of a second. The Pro-D3 delivered razor sharp images every single time. For this shot I needed 3 Pro-D3s, one with a 10-degree grid to create the highlights on the green background, one below through diffusion to illuminate the lower parts, and the final Pro-D3 from the top to create the soft highlight in the sunglasses. Here the powerful daylight balanced LED modeling light worked out great, because it takes it really close to seeing what you get before I even triggered the Pro-D3s. We created a high-key background in this shot by illuminating the diffusion filter with a Pro-D3. Then I added a second strobe from the top with a 5-degree grid shooting through diffusion to create a beautiful soft highlight in the lens of the sunglasses. On top of that we burst a water balloon that we wrapped around the plexiglass tube to add drama of floating water. For me, light is an essential element to realize my creative vision and style. It forms the foundation for storytelling in my work. That's why I always depend on Profoto lights for the reliability of the quality of the light. And when it comes to offering speed, both in terms of flash duration and recycling time, the Pro-D3 really is relentless.